that we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone.
Yan, gandang gabi. Ayun, mag-supper tayo dito sa Teppanyaki Japanese Steakhouse. Ayan. So tara na guys, kain tayo dito sa Teppanyaki to celebrate my birthday. Ayan. Gift sa akin ng aking mga anakis. Ayan, tara na. At kumain tayo dito sa Teppanyaki. Muda rito, oh. Sorry. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa Teppanyaki Japanese Steakhouse.
Just the very first one. Yeah. And kind of
So ito yung mga drinks nila. Meron non-alcoholic and alcoholic beverages, house wine. Pero siyempre hindi tayo mag-house wine. Cocktail lang tayo. So ito ang aming o-orderin. So ako ang in-order ko ay Kobe steak, filet mignon, and ayan. So ito ang kanilang menu. Ayan. Per plate. So this is my drink.
Okay.
Anong salad to? Ayan. We'll try this. Ayan. Wow. Yeah, it's my birthday. Yeah, thank you.
Wait, I gotta finish.
So meron siya.
Okay.
Yeah, just medium well. So that's for me. Ikaw na kaya para daw na nakikita. Diba? Para kasama ako eh. That's for me. Yeah. Video. Okay. Siyempre, kailangan i-ano ko. Kasi ayoko naman kuna nung kanya. So, that is Kobe. He's cooking my food. Ayan, sa amateur vlogger. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So what is that? The onion, right?
This the onion, yeah.
An onion, yeah. So, yan, niluto ang onion. Like that. Ayan. And what do you call that? Togi. My face.
There's your birthday tail there, hey?
Yeah, it's my birthday.
Birthday tail.
Yeah. They're gonna pay. I'm the visitor. The lobster. So, he's cooking my food. Ayan.
There we go. Hold it on there. Anytime.
Maubos ko kaya yan. I was thinking if I can finish cooking this. Yeah. Or the rice with soy sauce? No. Just plain rice. Scallop.
I am not, no.
You are
I'm Japanese. Monday to
Chinese.
Saturday from 4 to 10.
Oh, okay. You're Filipino?
No, from Laos.
Oh, Laos. Yeah, you look like, you know, Laos is look like Filipino also. What sauce is that?
The garlic butter.
Oh, garlic butter. So that's the garlic butter. Yes, ito yung ano, sesame ano.